What's up guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your site name and URL on Wix. Now, once you're inside Wix, scroll down the left hand side and click on settings. Under the settings section, you want to scroll down and you will find the website settings. You can click on that. It's going to take you over to where you can see the site name and you can change that, right? So here, for example, this is saying Drew tutorial. I can just change this to say, for example, Drew Tuts, right? And if I want to go ahead and also change, for example, my site URL, you can see right here, I can change it from my site URL to maybe something like Drew Tuts, just like that. And once you make the changes or rename things, you will see right away that it gives you the option to save on the upper right? So you can also upload general social image right here and so forth and so forth. Now, once you do that, click on save and you will see that it save your changes and update your site name and URL. And that's it, guys.